Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today we will also discuss some more important MCQs related to everyday science. In this lecture 4, we are discussing some important MCQs that are most repetitive and common. Which of the following vitamin is obtained from orange? Vitamin D, vitamin A, vitamin B, or vitamin C? The correct answer is vitamin C. Guava has maximum amount of which vitamin? Vitamin D, vitamin A, vitamin C, or vitamin K? The correct answer is vitamin C. The deficiency of anemia is caused by folic acid, vitamin B9, both or none of these. The correct answer is vitamin B9. Which vitamins helps to heal the wound? The vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin B, or vitamin E? The correct answer is vitamin C. Excessive bleeding is caused by the deficiency of vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin E, vitamin K. The correct answer is vitamin K. Carrot is a good source of which vitamin? Vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, or vitamin K? The correct answer is vitamin A. The chemical name of vitamin C is critic acid, nitric acid, ascorbic acid, or none of these. The correct answer is ascorbic acid. Green vegetable are good source of vitamin, minerals, starch, protein, or fat. The correct answer is vitamin and minerals. Cruciferous fruit, green leaf vegetables, and tomatoes are good source of vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, or none of these. The correct answer is vitamin C. Overdose of vitamin C cause kidney disease, night blindness, ricket disease, or none of these. The correct answer is vitamin D. The, the end. Thank you guys. Please keep watching my YouTube channel. We will discuss some more important MCQs in the next lecture. Also, we have discussed about 30 MCQs in previous 3 lectures that are very important and most repeated in every competitive exam. So kindly keep watching my YouTube channel and keep learning, growing your knowledge.